Okay, student. Today we will go for another sub-chapter in biomolecule that is called vitamins. Okay, vitamins. Vita means essential. Min means mineral. Minerals is essential in our body. That is vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds. It is required in diet in small amount, okay, and it is a perform of biological function and maintenance of growth and development, okay. If the deficiency of vitamins, disorder or disease it will form. Suppose we are discussing carbohydrates, proteins. If the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins means we are become weak, but the vitamins is required the smaller amount. But if the deficiency of vitamins is there means the diseases and disorder it will form. Okay, that is called as vitamins. The definition of vitamins: these are the organic compound. Vitamins are organic compound required in the diet. Required in the diet in the small amount to perform special biological function for normal maintenance of growth and development or health organisms. It is called as vitamins. Okay. Vitamins are classified two types on the basis of solubility. The first one, classification of vitamins, the first one, the fat soluble vitamins, fat soluble vitamins, and second one is water soluble vitamins. Okay, fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Okay, here the vitamins is freely soluble in oil and fat, that is called as fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins are freely soluble in water, but it is a regularly required in diet. It will go for excreted in urine systems. That's why water soluble vitamins is regularly required in body, in dieting system, okay. Fat soluble vitamins are first one, vitamin A, next vitamin D, next vitamin E, next vitamin K. Okay, there are four types of fat soluble vitamins. Okay, here the fat soluble vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. These are A, D, E, K. These vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. Next, coming to here, the vitamin water soluble vitamins. Here two types. One is vitamin C and another one is vitamin B. Okay, vitamin C and vitamin B complex vitamin, fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. These are soluble in fat and oils. These vitamins is soluble in water but cannot stored in body. Okay, it will regularly required. It is excreted in urine, does not stored in body. That is called as water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins, it is A, D, E, K. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And vitamin complex vitamin C is also called ascorbic acid. Another name is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. And vitamin B and complex, all vitamins it will go for in excreted in urine, does not stored in body except vitamin B12. Vitamin B is further classified. Vitamin B is further classified. First one, vitamin B1. Second one, vitamin B2. Third one, vitamin B6. Fourth one, vitamin B12. Okay, again here the four different types of vitamins is there. Vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12. In examination they will ask, what are vitamins, how they are classified. Just you write, it is a definition of vitamins. It is a classification on the basis of solubility, water soluble and fat soluble. Okay, these are all, it is a vitamins. Just you have to write. In sometimes which deficiency is there, what is the sources of vitamins. Okay, these are vitamins, sources of vitamins, and if the deficiency of vitamins to form diseases or disorder, that is the deficiency of vitamins. Suppose the first one, these are fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, K, fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A sources is fish liver oil or cod liver oil, carrot which contain vitamin A, milk is also vitamin A. If the deficiency of vitamin A, the diseases xerothalmia, that is a night blindness. Okay. Second one, vitamin D. Vitamin D is exposure sunlight sources and fish, egg yolk, yellow part, it is egg yolk. These are the sources of vitamin D. If the deficiency of vitamin D, the diseases is rickets and osteomalacia. Rickets means it is having a bone is like this, it will form deficiency of vitamin D means, and osteomalacia, in retarded growth it is having a, the bone is weakness, that is also one of the osteomalacia and rickets diseases. Third one is vitamin E. Vitamin E is sources is oil product, vegetable oil, wheat oil and sunflower oil derivatives are called as a sources of vitamin E. If the deficiency of vitamin E, increased fragility of RBC, okay, that is the third one. Next one, vitamin K. If the vitamin K, all green leafy vegetables, if the deficiency of vitamin K means the blood clotting or coagulation of blood, increase the blood clotting, that is the vitamin K. These are all, it is having a fat soluble vitamins. Next, coming to the water soluble vitamins, vitamin C is another name is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is also called vitamin C. If the deficiency, what is the sources of vitamin C? Citrus, fruits, amla and green leafy vegetables. If the deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy diseases means it is a bleeding of gums in teeth, it is a bleeding of gums, the blood is coming, that is one of the diseases, that is a scurvy diseases. Next, vitamin B derivatives, B1, B2, B6, B12, you should remember another name is there, the name is thiamine, riboflavin, pyridoxine, cyanocobalamin. Just technique you have, can remember TRP. In generally in channels they will arrange a TRP. TRP means it is having a serial and film, whatever it is going on, means in television you are measure the TRP on the basis of TRP. You should remember here TRP, TRP, just technique TRP, where cinema or serials, just you remember it is having a synonym. Here TRP, it is a serials we can see. Our name is here vitamin B1. The name is thiamine. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B2 means vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 means riboflavin. Vitamin B6 means pyridoxine. Last one, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Okay, these are all it is having another name of vitamin B complexes. Vitamin B complexes means TRPC means thiamine, riboflavin, pyridoxine and cyanocobalamin. If the vitamin B1 or thiamine, what is the sources means all it is having a milk product, yeast, milk, green vegetables and cereals. If the deficiency of vitamin B1 means the diseases, very diseases, it is a loss of appetite in retarded growth. Okay. If the deficiency of this is a vitamin B12, riboflavin, what is the sources? Milk, egg white means albumins, liver, kidney, these are sources of vitamin B2. If the deficiency of vitamin B2 means here chlosis, fissuring corner of mouth ulcer or mouth corner, it is a lips, it will in lips and mouth corner, it is a blood it will enter, that is the disease name is chlosis, fissuring corner of mouth. Okay, that is a mouth ulcer. Next one, vitamin B6, sources of vitamin B6, yeast, milk, egg yolk, yellow pot egg yolk and grams, cereals. If the deficiency of vitamin B6, convulsion diseases, okay, muscular problems. Next one, last one, the vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin. If the deficiency of vitamin B12, sources means meat, fish, egg, curd, this is the sources of vitamin B12. If the deficiency of vitamin B12, the diseases it will form, the name is pernicious diseases. Okay, these are all it is having a water soluble vitamins. The question is arises, listen carefully, which diseases it will form deficiency of vitamin A, you have to write xerothalmia. Which diseases it will form deficiency of vitamin D, rickets. Rickets is diseases it will form which deficiency of vitamins means you have to write vitamin D. They are asked diseases or they are given the vitamins means they will ask the diseases. Suppose sometimes they are given the diseases means you have to write vitamins. Okay. Sometimes they will ask if the deficiency of vitamin C, which diseases it will form? Scurvy diseases. If the deficiency of vitamin B1, which diseases it will form? Beriberi. If the deficiency of vitamin B2, which diseases it will form? Chlosis. If the deficiency of vitamin B6, which diseases? Convulsion. If the deficiency of vitamin B12, here pernicious anemia. So many times they will ask pernicious anemia, if diseases it will form which deficiency of vitamin means you have to write vitamin B12. They will ask only 1 mark questions here, 1 mark questions, or previous class you have discussed what are vitamins, how they are classified. 2 marks question. They will ask 2 marks question, what are vitamins, how they are classified, or sometimes they will give the vitamins you have to write diseases. They are given diseases means you have to write vitamins. You should know the vitamins. If, sir, at a time deficiency of two vitamins, at a time deficiency of two vitamins means the name is called vitaminolysis. Vitaminolysis means vitaminolysis. A vitaminolysis. Okay. What is avitaminolysis? Vitaminolysis. Avitaminolysis. Where if the deficiency of two vitamins, at a time deficiency of two vitamins means that is called as avitaminolysis. If excess of vitamin B more than 1, excess of vitamin B more than 1 means hypervitaminolysis. Hypervitaminolysis. Hyper means excess. If take it is having excess of vitamin A and vitamin B, whatever excess is there means that is a hypervitaminolysis. If deficiency of two vitamins means avitaminolysis. Avitaminolysis. This is the general concept. Okay. They will ask only the 1 mark questions depend upon the diseases or vitamins. Okay. Next we will go for the another subchapter is a nucleic acid. Next another subchapter, nucleic acid. A condensation polymer chain of nucleotide is called nucleic acid. Every species in one generation to another generation is resemble with the from the ancestors of so many ways. Okay. If the main it is having a character is transferred from one generation to another generation, resemble with the one generation to another generation. Here the transmitted of one generation to another generation, the major role that is called as nucleus. Nucleus is one of the important transform to inheritance character from grandfather to son, grandson or father to son. It is one generation to another generation is transferred. That is the nucleus is an important role. It is a transference of inheritance. Okay. Here one of the transference of inheritance that is called as heredity. Okay. Heredity, it is one of the importance of it is a chromosomal character. If chromosomal is obtained from the proteins and another biomolecules are called nucleic acid. Okay. Here the nucleus is an important role in the cells. It is transformed in inheritance character generation to another generation. Okay. That is called as a nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is a condensation polymer chain of nucleotide, one nucleotide is converted to nucleic acid. Okay. Here nucleotide condensation polymer chain of nucleotide is called nucleic acid. Nucleotide, the composition of ribose sugar, heterocyclic bases and phosphate group. Just you take here DNA, when we will go for DNA which undergoes hydrolysis to form nucleotide, nucleotide which undergoes hydrolysis to form nucleoside, nucleoside which undergoes hydrolysis to form ribose sugar and base. Okay. This is a nucleotide is a monomer of nucleic acid. Okay. Nucleotide which contain the composition of nucleotide, the composition of ribose sugar, okay, and bases and the third one is phosphate group. Phosphate group means PO4 minus 2. This is the ribose sugar which contain deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar. Here ribose sugar is two types. One is deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar or pentose sugar. Bases is classified purine bases and pyrimidine bases. Purine bases and pyrimidine bases. Okay, purine bases and pyrimidine bases. The composition of ribose sugar bases and phosphate group is called nucleotide. The bases, it is having a adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine and uracil. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, uracil, these are bases. These bases is classified purine and pyrimidine. Pyrimidine means it is a single like structure, it is having an aromatic compound, is a benzene ring. If the benzene ring is there means here the pyrimidine, this is a benzene ring. I will discuss later structure. This is a benzene ring. This is a cyclic structure. Other than carbon atoms, that is called heterogeneous, means heterocyclic. Pyridine, this is a pyridine. If here another nitrogen is here means here pyrimidine. This is a pyrimidine. Listen carefully, pyrimidine. Next here the purine. Here purine basis means if it is having a pyrimidine contain, this is a pyrimidine, which is another cyclic group is there. Okay, this is purine base, pyrimidine structure and purine structure. These bases is mother structure is it is having a purine means two cyclic bond, pyrimidine means one cyclic bond. In the purine is a two first bases here the purine, adenine and second one is guanine. Adenine and guanine are purine bases. And another one, cytosine and thymine and uracil. These are pyrimidine bases. Single mother structure. This is single, means single, one benzene ring. These are all it is having a pyrimidine. Purine bases. In here, the nucleic acid, nucleotide which contain, it is having a deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar. One is DNA and RNA. Here the ribose sugar, here deoxyribose sugar. Another one is only ribose sugar. This is the composition of nucleotide. When we are DNA, this is the double helical structures of DNA. when which undergoes hydrolysis means we will get the nucleotide. Nucleotide, it undergoes hydrolysis means to form nucleoside. Nucleoside means ribose sugar and bases. The composition of pentose sugar or ribose sugar and bases is called nucleoside. Okay, and the phosphate, this is a phosphate derivatives. When the nucleoside is a fifth carbon is attached to phosphoric acid to form nucleotide, inter-elimination of water molecules. Here one ribose sugar is entered to the base, inter-elimination of water molecules to form nucleoside. When the nucleoside, again it is one of phosphoric acid. Here also inter-elimination of water molecules to form nucleotide. Nucleotide. We will go for one by one. What is the ribose sugar? Okay, out the structure of ribose sugar. Next one, what are bases? Next one, what is phosphate group? And double helical structure of DNA. How to form the deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid? We will go for one by one. First one we will go for the ribose sugar. Let us go for chemical composition of nucleic acid, pentose sugar, bases and phosphate group. First we will go for pentose sugar. In carbohydrates, triose, tetrose, pentose. Pentose means 5-member ring. Means the 5 carbon atoms containing, that is called pentose sugar. Pentose sugar structures oxygen like fructose. This is a pentose, furanose. Okay. Okay, CH2 OH, and here hydroxy group is below means alpha, above means beta. Beta. Here OH, OH. Opposite is H, 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 H. Okay. This is a alpha, beta. This is a beta. If hydroxy coming means here, that is a beta. Beta. This is a ribose sugar. Beta ribose sugar. Beta ribose. Okay. This is RNA. This sugar we are using in RNA, that is a ribose sugar. Same here also, numbering also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carbon? 5 carbon. Next, coming to another pentose sugar. CH2 OH. Beta means OH, OH, OH. Here also hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Both here same. In the second carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon is absence of oxygen, not hydroxy, oxygen. Absence of oxygen, removal of oxygen, that is called deoxy. Oxygen is removed, that is a deoxy. Deoxy. Deoxyribosugar DNA, deoxyribosugar DNA, only the ribosugar RNA. Which position is deoxy is there? Beta, this is the OH means here also beta. Which carbon? Second carbon is deoxy, that is a deoxyribosugar. Second carbon, beta 2-deoxyribosugar. Beta 2-deoxy means second carbon, removal of oxygen. Okay, removal of oxygen, that is called as deoxyribosugar. Okay, these are the main C1 carbon, C5 carbon. Listen carefully. C1 carbon is attached to base, C5 carbon is attached to phosphoric acid. Let us go for one by one. The first one is pentose sugar. Pentose sugar. Okay. Next one is another one is bases. Bases. In DNA and RNA, we are using bases. DNA and RNA, we are using bases. DNA and RNA, we are using bases. In DNA, the basis is adenine, guanine, thymine. Listen carefully. Adenine, guanine, thymine, we are using DNA bases. And the RNA also adenine, guanine, thymine. Here also RNA also same adenine, guanine, thymine. Sorry, adenine, guanine, cytosine. Sorry, adenine, guanine, cytosine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine. Both we are using DNA and RNA. But in DNA we are using thymine. Thymine. In RNA we are using the base is uracil. This is a very, very important. All three bases are same in DNA and RNA. In examination they will ask, we are already discussed in biology chapter biomolecules. Already know well it is having a DNA and RNA. But in chemistry also they will ask which base is present in RNA, not in DNA. You have to write uracil. Which base is present in DNA, not in RNA, means you have to write thymine. Which bases is present in DNA as well as RNA means adenine, guanine, cytosine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine. This is a very, very important factor. 1 mark questions. Okay, this is the common one. In DNA and RNA, we are using bases adenine, guanine, cytosine. These bases are heterocyclic and nitrogenous bases, nitrogenous derivatives. Nitrogen which containing heterocyclic activities. Sulfur is there, oxygen is there, thiol, furan, that is not there. Here instead of carbon, this is a cyclic carbon. Other than carbon means nitrogenous heterocyclic bases. These are all it is having a nitrogen containing heterocyclic bases. Nitrogen containing heterocyclic bases, or this is a basis. You will go for the purine and pyrimidine structures is there. We are already discussed purine and pyrimidine means here pyrimidine, this is a nitrogen. Okay, if the nitrogen is there, here N. Here one compounds, here the purine bases. This is a purine basis. Purine means 2 cyclic bond. Pyrimidine means one cyclic bond. This is a pyrimidine structures, pyrimidine. Okay. Pyrimidine, purine. Here, which one is purine basis, which one is pyrimidine basis? Listen carefully. Here, purine and pyrimidine basis, you should know the purine and pyrimidine basis. Easily, adenine and guanine, adenine and guanine, adenine and guanine is purine basis. Adenine structures, you should remember easily adenine, okay. Purine means 2 cyclic, okay. Here fixed double bond, here also fixed double bond. Both is same, just to technique you have to listen here carefully. Both it is having a 2 cyclic bond. Okay. Here also same. Double bond, NH is there. Okay. Here one, both it is having a same. Here also NH is there. Here what will happen? One group is NH2 amine functional group is there. Here the double bond and double bond. This is the structure of adenine. Adenine structures. Guanine means here guanine. If here the double bond is formed here, carbonyl double bond. Here also double bond is there. Okay. This is a guanine structures. Guanine structure. This is the guanine. Purine bases. Both are same. Here NH2 is there, here CO group is there. These are purine bases. Next one, the pyrimidine bases. This is a purine bases. Purine bases. Next we will go for pyrimidine means only one ring structures. Listen here. Techniques we have to write is same 3. Pyrimidine, okay. Here also pyrimidine, here also you should know easy technique. All 3 compounds is same. All compounds is below here H fixed, and here also double bond, okay, and here C double bond O, here also C double bond O, here also C double bond O. Listen carefully. All 3 compounds are same. 3 compounds are same. Here cytosine which contain here NH2 functional group is there. NH2 is there means here the double bond it will form double bond, okay, double bond, NH2. But here the carbon which containing here this is a cytosine. Cytosine. Here thymine and uracil. Thymine and uracil is easily both here CO bond. CO bond is there. Here when here attached to CS3 group is there. One methyl group is attached to thymine. Uracil is not there. Here hydrogen and hydrogen. NH. Like barbituric acid. This is a uracil. This is a cytosine. Structure of thymine. Structure of uracil. Listen carefully. When adenine in formation of DNA, adenine is base is pair with hydrogen bond with thymine. Adenine with thymine, that is a AT. Next, another one is a purine and pyrimidine bases pair, equal pair. This is a guanine, which guanine is bind with cytosine. Guanine is bind with cytosine. 3 intermolecular hydrogen bond between the guanine and cytosine in DNA, because here listen here N here NH is there. Listen here NH NH. Carbonyl compound is attached to nitrogen, ammonia, amine NH2. NH is attached to N, a second bond, and another one here also C double bond O and C double bond O is there. This is the purine basis is bind with the cytosine. Here cytosine NH2 NH2 NCO. When the guanine is bind with cytosine is a 3 intermolecular hydrogen bond. Adenine is bind with thymine 2 hydrogen bond in DNA. RNA, instead of thymine, you have to use uracil. Okay? Uracil and thymine, listen here, the adenine and thymine is 2 intermolecular hydrogen bond. Guanine and cytosine is 3 intermolecular hydrogen bond in formation of DNA. This is the just structure of purine and pyrimidine bases is a 2 cyclic bond and 1 cyclic bond. Next we will go for how to form nucleic acid nucleotide, okay, and phosphoric acid. Guanine here which contain 1 molecules of NH2. 1 molecules of NH2 is there, means is a carbonyl NH and NH2. 3 lone pair of electrons, 2 lone pair of electrons here, and CO is attached to 1, 2, 3 hydrogen bond. But is purine is a nitrogen does not containing hydrogen. That's why the adenine is form only 2 bond, 2 hydrogen bond. Here NH2, okay, and another one is NH. This is only the 2 hydrogen bond, but the guanine and cytosine is intermolecular force is 3 hydrogen bond. This is the structure of purine and pyrimidine bases. Next we will go for the structure of nucleic acid. What is pentose sugar, ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. Next one, bases, nitrogenous heterocyclic compounds bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine and uracil, purine and pyrimidine structures. Next, another one is a phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is a phosphoric acid. This is a phosphorus. Oxygen atoms is double bond. OH, OH, OH. The formula H3PO4. That is called phosphoric acid. Here the phosphate means here the phosphate rule, that is a phosphate rule. Okay. This is the phosphoric acid. A unit is formed. A unit is formed attachment of base to first position of pentose sugar or ribose sugar. Okay, first position of ribose or deoxyribose sugar is called nucleoside. First position of sugar moiety, whether it may be ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar, is called nucleoside. Go for one by one. Suppose pentose sugar, okay. Here the one C1 carbon, C2 carbon, C3 carbon, C4 carbon and C5 carbon. Here OH, H, OH. This is ribose sugar. In DNA means absence of oxygen. Okay, absence of oxygen. Here one ribose sugar and another ribose sugar. You can write another ribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar, not ribose sugar. Deoxy means here H only. CH2 OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C1 position is attached to base. Base means which contain NH2. NH is there. I will take here examples of base. Here examples of base: NH, any adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Listen here. Okay, here also NH2 and here also NH2. Here NH is there. When here NH and here OH is there. Okay, NH and OH, inter-elimination of water molecules, OH and H. OH and H is there means the base is attached to here, H and this is attached to base. Which position? C1 position. C1 position. The base is attached to first carbon of sugar compound is called nucleoside. Here also same OH attached to base. This is not structure, this is only the base. Either it may be adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, whatever it may be there. But the pentose sugar, this is a ribose sugar, this is a deoxy ribose sugar. Inter-elimination of water molecules of C1 carbon. Listen here, a unit is formed. A unit is formed. Attachment of base to first position of sugar. First position of ribo or deoxy ribose sugar is called nucleoside. Nucleoside. This is a nucleoside and nucleoside. Composition of base and sugar is called nucleoside. Which sugar? Pentose sugar. That is the deoxyribose sugar nucleoside and ribonucleoside. Nucleoside. This is the composition, how to formation of nucleic acid. First one is nucleoside. When the nucleoside is attached with phosphoric acid, nucleoside is attached with phosphoric acid, is called, nucleoside is attached to fifth position of carbon. Fifth position of carbon is phosphoric acid, is called nucleotide. Fifth carbon means where it is a fifth carbon. Here fifth carbon is there. This is a nucleoside. When here fifth carbon is a COH, listen here. When the phosphoric acid, here also inter-elimination of water molecules. Here the phosphate group is attached to here. Here also phosphate group is attached to here. Okay. O, phosphorus, double bond O minus, O minus. Here also continue chain formation is there. The composition of ribose sugar, base and phosphoric acid is called nucleotide or nucleoside is attached to which position? C5. Base is attached to C1 carbon. The first carbon is attached to base. Is called nucleoside. Nucleoside is contain fifth carbon is attached to phosphoric acid is called nucleotide. One nucleotide is attached to another nucleotide to form nucleic acid. The condensation polymer chain of nucleotide is called nucleic acid. One nucleotide, another nucleotide. We will go for how to form the structure of nucleic acid. DNA and RNA. DNA means you have to use DNA. RNA means ribose sugar to form nucleotide. This is the structure of nucleotide. Okay. Next we will go for how to form nucleic acid. One nucleotide is attached with another nucleotide to form nucleic acid. Which position will go for one by one? First we will go for how to hydrogen bond is formed between the adenine and thymine and guanine and cytosine. Okay.